ऐसा पहली बार हुआ है 17-18 सालों में। नहीं नहीं, 17-18 नहीं, 11 साल हो गए। बट आफ्टर 11 years रोमा आर फाइनली टॉप ऑफ द टेबल बाय देमसेल्फ एट दिस स्टेज। चाओ चाओ दोस्त, तो सेरे आ का गेम वीक 12 हो चुका है, समाप्त हो गया है, एंड आई एम जस्ट एंजॉइंग द फैक्ट दैट रोमा आर नंबर वन इन सेरे आ। एक हफ्ते के लिए तो सही, एक हफ्ते के लिए मैं बहुत ही एंजॉय करने वाला हूँ, क्योंकि honestly start of the season never expected कि रोमा इस मुकाम पे होगी at this stage, but it's been a good surprise, and finally we've been seeing Gasperini ball, Gasparade finally kicking into action, क्योंकि अब तक लग रहा था कि रैनियरी का टीम है ये, because Ranieri, the good work that he had done in the previous season, Roma were looking very good defensively, compact, but जो गैस्परिनी का जो एक ट्रेडमार्क फुटबॉल है जो हमने अटलांटा में देखा इतने सालों के लिए, slowly and steadily, we have been seeing the Gasparini ball coming into full effect. And what a victory for Roma away at Cremonese, Jamie Vardy's Cremonese, and Matthias Sole scoring from outside the box yet again. 5 goal हो गए Sole के लिए. He's been a bona fide star this season for us. And more importantly, Evan Ferguson finally getting his monkey off the back. 12 game say he's been looking for his first Roma goal, and finally he's off the mark. Cool, calm, composed finish, and then the Gasparini ball finally coming into effect. El Sharawi setting up Wesley as Roma ran out 3-1 winners on the night, propelling them to the top of the table. And of course, this was possible due to the Milan derby. Milan beating Inter by a goal to nil. Pulisic, the goal scorer for AC Milan, as Inter had the chance to be joint top with Roma, but it was Milan who took all 3 points to get the bragging rights of the Derby della Madonnina. And दोस्तों, इस चैनल में मैं हमेशा बोलता हूँ कि we will always credit goalkeepers, and in this particular game, the derby, the Milan derby, it was Mike Maignan who had a fantastic game, probably one of his best games in a Milan shirt. He was instrumental in keeping Inter out. जो सेव था हकान चालानोग्लू का, एंड दिस इज समथिंग दैट वी हैव सीन, राइट? आई हैव सीन just a couple of weeks ago, Roma were playing away at Milan. Roma had so many chances. Paulo Dybala never had missed a penalty, 18 on 18 if I'm remembering correctly, and it was Mike Maignan who saved it. And similarly, a derby game, it was Hakan Çalhanoğlu who's got such an impeccable record from the penalty spot, and it was Mike Maignan who played foils, saved the penalty, and overall had a fantastic game. As the Rossonero side of the city will have the bragging rights until the next derby. This obviously had a huge impact on how the Serie A table looked. Napoli also getting back into winning ways, beating Atalanta by 3 goals to 1. Not a really good start for new coach of Atalanta, Raffaele Palladino. Very very tough test for him. And Napoli में भी जो जितने भी बाहर से मरमस थे, यार Conte, T. Laurentiis, Noah Lang, I think everything has been put to rest. It was a very I would say a compelling victory, silencing all the critics and all the media and all the press, and Napoli now also back to winning ways. So top of the Serie A table hai is very very congested. Obviously you have Roma, you have Napoli, you have both the Milan teams, you have Bologna who doing so well, running out 3-0 winners away at Udinese. One of, I would say, it was a very very plucky performance by Italianos Bologna, because Udinese at home are a very tough team to beat, and Vincenzo Italiano को इतना प्लॉडेट्स मिलता नहीं है मेन स्ट्रीम मीडिया में. कॉस्टम ने एक वीडियो बनाया था कि हाउ अदर मैनेजर्स इन द प्रीमियर लीग लाइक एंड Iraola or previously in the past with Graham Potter, even De Zerbi, got so much of attention. But what Italiano has been doing previously with Fiorentina and now with Bologna, I think he's right up there. And with all due respect, I think he's going to move to a bigger club very very soon. Juve struggles are still there. Luciano Spalletti, unfortunately, has still not been able to leave that stamp. Early days for Juve. They play a very tough game tonight in the Champions League against Bodo Glimt, a team that I know very well. But it was Como who beat Torino by 5 goals to 1. Man, I mean, this Serie A weekend was full of action, a lot of goals everywhere. Torino now, in serious trouble, but Como are in the top 6 and looking upwards and looking to come and disrupt the whole of Serie A. जो Serie A के जो Sette Sorole, Seven Sisters है, उनको पूरा डिस्टर्ब करने का प्लान है फैब्रिगास के कोमो को, एंड दे डूइंग अ फैंटास्टिक जॉब एट इट. Fantastic attacking prowess and a very refreshing style of play in culture. That is it for this weekend, guys. It was a great weekend. I also had a lot of fun watching Daniele De Rossi's Genoa. Two matches, and both the matches so far for De Rossi have been full of entertainment. No win so far. Genoa still in the bottom half, in the relegation zone, rather bottom three mein hai Genoa at this point of time. But as a Romanista, obviously I just want De Rossi to do really well. It is also very very tight at the bottom. You know, so many teams are there. Hellas hai, Parma hai, Pisa hai. Sassuolo abhi thoda they've pushed upwards into the top half of the table. But mind you, this relegation battle will also go down a very very long way. Lazio also beat Lecce, and even they are now making a push towards the top सेवन टॉप एट. वहां पे भी बहुत कंजेशन है. सो गाइस, अगर आप सेरिया नहीं देख रहे हो तो आप आई यू मिसिंग आउट. ऑनेस्टली मैं आपको फोमो दे रहा हूँ, जाके सेरिया देखो. डजॉन में जाके देखो, डजॉन में है, सब्सक्रिप्शन है, थोड़ा महंगा है, बट इट्स रियली वर्थ इट. अदरवाइज you know where to watch the Serie A games in case you don't want to pay DAZN. बट कंटेंट आता रहेगा. मैं तो सेरिया के बारे में चर्चा करते रहता हूँ कैल्चो चर्चा पे, मेरे चैनल में. हम लोग दोनों इंटरलिंक्ड है, एंड इटालियन फुटबॉल का जो एक झंडा है हम लोग लहरा रहे हैं. इट इज रियली, आई वुड से, वेरी वेरी टाइट लीग. आप स्कुदेटो की बात करो, मतलब चैंपियनशिप की बात करो, आप यूरोपियन प्लेसेस की बात करो, आप रेलीगेशन प्लेसेस की बात करो, इट इज ऑल वेरी टाइट एंड इट्स वेरी वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग. Next weekend, Roma play Napoli in what is a blockbuster clash on Sunday night. It is a derby, the derby of the sun or the derby of the south, it's called. रोमा नापोली का प्रीव्यू, हिस्ट्री, सब कुछ ये चैनल में आता रहेगा. तो डू लाइक, शेयर, एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली हिट दैट सब्सक्राइब बटन so that you know when I put out new content. I'm Ajay Menon. I'm a Romanista. We are top of the table. Forza Roma sempre. Until next time, it's ciao ciao.